Heavy Vehicle Inspection Maintenance CMMS DVIR app. The inspection and maintenance of heavy vehicles, construction fleet, and mining machinery can be very tiring and time-consuming using traditional ways. Time is money. Why not move from paper to digital technology for inspection and maintenance needs and experience powerful cutting-edge technology? HVI empowers all fleet members with an innovative Android, iPhone app, and desktop portable-based access to all vehicle records in near real time. Record inspection findings with great details including marked images, voice notes, and signature, and instantly get ready to share PDF inspection report of equipment and heavy machinery. If issues found in inspection, one-click creation of work order from inspection findings. For remote sites, app works completely offline with auto sync. Across the fleet, maintain high speed of communication, accuracy, and quality of information for audit and compliance. Driver can file incident report, submit fuel logs, and know when next schedules of preventative maintenance is. What a great way to cut down on overall operations cost. Average HVI customer can reduce up to 20% cost of fleet maintenance in construction and mining industry. Start journey of digital transformation with paper-free record keeping. Secure access from anywhere, anytime. Visit heavyvehicleinspection.com today and sign up for free, or subscribe for the free trial and begin your journey to productivity, cost reduction, and resource management. Heavy Vehicle Inspection Maintenance CMMS app, a better way to inspect and maintain all kinds of vehicles.